how to buy shares token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 8 hours ago and increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. This token trending number 2 in this Solana section. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here and open your fund to wallet for that. Now click on swap here and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address on the search bar. Now click on your token. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. As you can see, after that, now here you can be able to see how much you receive that token. As you can see, now after that, to select the provider, click on pricing. Now click on provider and select the provider from here as the example Jupiter, and click on apply. Go back and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy these shares token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.